time to eat.
Yeah, we're gonna eat some supper. You can do it. Come on. Yay!
Ready. May is 13 months old, right?
Oh, yeah.
And climbing in the high chair.
This is a tray. Can you come over here and cut it off? Come over here for a moment.
Can you rock for me? Well, Maggie, how about patty cake for me? Roll them up. Roll them up. Patty cake for me. Oh, yeah. Roll them up now. Roll them up. Roll them up. Roll them up for me. Now throw them in the pan. Maggie, today is September 19th, 1987. Maggie, tell me what the sheep says. Yeah. Now tell me what the kitty cat says. Right. Now, tell me what the duck says. Tell me what the duck says. Maggie, can you tell me what the duck says? Okay, rock, rock. Rock, rock. Maggie, where's Mama?
Mama? Mama? Mama?
Maggie, where's your arm? Yeah. Well, where's your hand? Yeah. Where's your ear? Where's your mouth? Mouth, right. Where are your eyes? Give me a wink, right. Where's your leg? Where's your leg? Yeah. How about your foot? Where's your foot? Where's your foot? Right there. Where's your head? You haven't got a bow in it, do you?
You got the camera now.
Go get the ball.
Yeah. Look at that look. Hey. Yay. Yay. Good boy.
But he does something.
Oh, there's some.
Yay!
Come here. Come here. Good boy.
Something like that.
Good
So I bet y'all
boy.
go out and play ball.
Cam, shut about.
Is your little brother walking? You can catch him. He walked before me.
No.
Can he help you up?
Hey, Ryan, do you look about a wave, buddy?
Oh, look who that is.
Oh, who is that?
Who do you think?
Wait, let me take my glasses off. You can recognize me now.
Oh, there.
Recognize the voice.
Not,
Hey, baby, you want me to plant one on you? Yeah, some fun films out of this.
I'm glad Mal's with you, Kathy, because I wouldn't have known who you are.
Thank you. I'd be glad I knew right away.
Here comes Superman.
There you go, you're on camera.
Superman, get down now.
How you doing?
I want to get down.
Oh, hell, you're getting movies of all this.
I want to get down.
All right.
Because you're fishing out
Yeah, man. I mean, no look. Hey, Janine, don't do it anymore.
Man, can you say something?
Are you going to show her your bag?
Goodies.
Oh, aren't you darling? Oh, you going to fill it up?
Are you Rambo?
Okay. I was going fishing until Ed put bees in the shop where the fishing tackle was. So now I'm just I didn't want to go where the bees were. Turn it off. Go away.
What is she? What is she?
M&M.
Oh, an M&M. Okay.
A red M&M.
Who is that? Hey, Matt. Oh, there's Lee. Goodness gracious.
Oh, that's, look, I bet that's the fun mirrors. Those ones that make you look funny.
Hey, little pumpkin.
preparations for movie stardom and a makeup artist. They both are in the small, sleepy town in South Carolina, hoping that someday they may move out to California, Beverly Hills. It's Halloween. And once again, we find them somewhere between reality and dreamland. Between hope and fact. But what?
Coming over here. How the sun's right in our eyes. It's hard to look at. Let me just...
Look at that.
Bring that, Maggie. I'm trying to get teach. Oh, look at the peacock up on the roof.
Where?
Right over there, the lower one house. Never mind, he's on the lower roof.
Oh. Huh?
Oh, Maggie.
You say, no, honey, those are goats. The goat's going like that. Here comes a goat. He's going to bring one out for us. Please, Maggie. Slow down. Settle down a little bit. Come here, settle down. Take steady, would you? You want to give him a kiss? Is that what she's trying to do?
Whoa, Sadie, come here.
He's sweet, isn't he,
Bye,
man?
bye, bye.
He's eating corn. Tommy, see if you can catch Peach or Luke or one of them.
Come on, what? You need out of your hand.
Look, Maggie.
Hold a little bit in your hand. Hold your hand. Look at the tail. Yeah, that's the tail.
That's the tail.
Is that the tail?
Don't hurt his tail. It's almost 17 10 pieces.
Who?
Stacy King, so she's got a hair lip.
Stacy. Oh, yeah.
Hold your hand. Hold your hand. Let me hold this in your hand.
Oh, no, she might be scared. Maggie, you want to put some in your hand?
You want to hold this in your hand?
And let him feed
Look at the expression on her
Hold it in your
feed
hand.
the little ducks on.
Look at there. She's got it. She's got it.
You want to feed it? Maggie, open your hand up so you can get it. Open your hand up so you can get some. And you have to open your hand up like that. So you can get some. Hold your hand open. And let the duck eat some. Give him some food. Give him some food.
Settle down, Keith.
Oh, well.
Settle down, boy. Girl.
What you need, Maggie? You'll eat out of your hand. So you fun little thing. They're all getting the leftovers down below, aren't they? I thought she might would be, but... He's so soft, isn't he? Isn't he soft? Like that. She says moo. Honey, that's a puppy dog.
That's a big puppy dog.
You know what his name is? His name's, or her name. Her name's Sadie. You got a doll named Sadie. Hang on, beside her. Are you still doing your photography? Look at that. Honey, you're getting that confused with a cow.
So that's all right.
Oh, they won't bite her. Okay. Look, he wants you to pet him. Oh.
I wish he'd stand up for you.
Oh. Now, I think she'd like to get. She's enjoying this.
So we had him there to die to.
Sure not afraid.
Come here.
Maggie, that's a little baby chicken. She wants to kiss everything.
You like some things that make
You want to hold your little baby chicken? Yeah, put your arm around him. That's right. Hold him now. Yeah, hold your little baby chicken. That's right. Hold on to
I think she's wringing his neck.
Oh, Maggie, let him go, honey.
Let him go.
Let him go. Put him down.
No, no.
Oh, no. Talking about a neck.
She's having a big time.
liven up if she was about to go to sleep. Uh-oh. Is that a movie? Maggie!
Sadie.
Ah.
Come here, Sadie.
Come here, Sadie.
Make her feet go down. Oh, God.
What's the day?
I don't know.
It's January the 8th, 1988.
Is that snow coming down? Look at that. You see it? Snow flurries. It is.
Maggie?
You see a little teeny bit of snow?
Maggie, what is this out here?
You tell Daddy what's out here? It's snow. Tell Daddy it's snow. You wave to Daddy with her little gloves on. I think it's a boy running. Now look at somebody stuck down there. Oh. Hell, we could get her in the wagon and ride her around like
Let me see. Stomp it again.
See, now I do it that part. It's my heel that I have to walk on. I have to do like that to get, snow. Oh. This hurts your eyes out here. Glasses on. What you see? You see that smoke coming out? You wave to Daddy, throw him a kiss. Just a little tree, little bush. For once, the mice are covered up, the mice holes. You gotta be careful when you don't know what.
Those are rats, Malane.
Rats, yeah. Oh, it's okay. I got you.
Whoa.
My dad.
Come to me. Yeah.
Oh, honey, I got you.
Come on, Maggie.
She didn't have much insulation. Don't run, honey.
Come on.
Don't run. I got you. Honey, it's hard to walk on this ice.
Let her go, Malane.
Yeah, that man's, that's a man, he's stuck in the snow.
Malane, let her go.
He's stuck in the snow.
Come here, Maggie.
Look at Daddy. Hands warming up on you.
Come here, Maggie.
Walk with Daddy. You walk with Daddy. Let's walk with Daddy, okay? Yeah, we can walk on this, not even making a footprint hardly.
Malane, tell him what today is.
I don't know what the date. Oh, today's January 10th, 1988. Maggie is 8 today.
And snow's been on the ground now for Friday, Saturday, Sunday,
Thursday. It started Thursday.
Thursday. So this is the 4th day, and it hadn't melted any.
The snowstorm of
Very little.
1988.
Very little melting. We're walking on top of it now. The streets are pretty good. I don't fall and slip down. It's sunny today, so we might get some melting. That's what the streets look like.
Bless you, good. These are daffodils. Trying to come up in the snow.
Came up in December.
Throw it, Maggie. Get it, Maggie. Throw it, Maggie. Throw that snowball. Throw it. You me throw one at him? Okay. Ow, I'm not gonna hurt you. If I can get one, it's all stuck. Okay, wait, Maggie, I want to throw one at Daddy.
That's not a snowball, that's a block of ice.
You throw it, Maggie, your hand's gonna get so cold. Throw that snowball. Snow. Say, look at my snow, Daddy. Wave to Daddy. Say, see my gloves? Okay. Okay. Sit down on the paper and hold it to the sides and we'll go for a ride. How you gonna pull her around, Hal?
Push her.
You'll push her, okay. Get in. I don't know, Maggie's sitting here, but we'll try. Okay, switch it. There you go. It's okay. You don't want to get in, we'll push you around.
Say, hey, Mama.
Hey.
Where's your mama? What? Snow, snow? You like the snow? What's this out here? Hey!
I pulled Ellis all the way to the street on this thing, all the way over to Calvary Baptist Church.
Did you?
Down the road, I even pulled across down Memphis.
You like that snow? Is it good? Cold. It's cold. Hi. Time where it's warm, okay? It's colder out there. It's right here where that sun's coming up.
No.
You don't want to play?
Maggie,
Daddy.
I thought you wanted to slide on the sliding board.
No.
Got a little baby right here. Walk in, I'll hold your hand.
No.
Wait, they're dirty. No, keep swinging that. Yeah, there's the swings. You guys see them?
Okay.
Okay. Go for a ride?
No. Hi. Hi.
Slide's over there.
Go.
No, it's slide over here. I'll show you.
Okay.
This is a different park.
Maggie, Mama, what time is it? Or what date is it?
27th of February.
Okay. What year? 1988.
You get up?
No.
Just sit in it?
No.
You don't want to sit in them and go for a ride? Oh, we could sing a song.
No.
I mean, you don't want to play? Well, run and play. Okay?
No.
See, they're going down the sliding board.
Better.
Well, come on. You didn't want to. You gonna watch? This one, I wonder if you can split it up on there. What's like, honey? What's wrong?
No, she's fine. Jennifer, you come on down. Come on down.
Go ahead, Mom. Put her up there.
Okay, you'll try it again? This time I'm gonna let you do it by yourself, okay? A little bit different than the one at the other part. Standing way up high, aren't you? Jump! Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy over there. Yeah, he might jump too. Look at Daddy over there. Where's Daddy? You wave to him?
Fly.
Okay. You want to go get on the swings? Hey, Maggie.
Wait, come on.
Be careful. There's a lot of stumps. Be careful. You cutie pie. You thirsty? Okay, thank you. Are you gonna sit up here? What?
He tries to do it like that. Clean baby. Clean baby. Clean baby.
What?
Baby.
What?
Over in the meadow in a snug beehive lived an old mother bee and her little bee spy. Buzz, said the mother. We buzz, said the five. So they buzzed all day in the snug beehive. Now what does the bee say? Buzz. Right.
Right.
What does the crow say?
Oh.
Right. Over in the meadow in a nest built of sticks. He's got a little bracelet on. He sure does. Hey, Maggie has bracelets. You sure do. Over in the meadow in a nest built of sticks Living at old Mother Crow and her little crow six. Call, said the mother. We call, said the six. So they called all day in a nest built of sticks.
Maggie, what does a frog say?
Ribbit. Ribbit.
Go.
Over in the meadow. Yeah, there's some frogs.
Well, Maggie, give me a smile.
Daddy wants you to smile for me.
Well, give me an excited look.
Give him a mad look. Give him a mad look.
Cut your eyes at me, Maggie.
Give Daddy a mad look.
Give me a happy look.
Happy, happy. You give Daddy a sad look.
Well, can you tell us what the horse says?
Over in the meadow where the grass grows even, there's an old Mother Frog and her little froggy seven. Jump, said the mother. We jumped, said the seven. She's got no bracelet too. So they jumped all day where the grass grows even. Say, what you doing? Say, what you doing, Daddy? Talk to Daddy. Say, Happy Easter. Maybe say Happy Easter. Oh, did you hurt your arm? Say, Daddy, I got a boo-boo.
Boo-boo.
Oh, let me see.
I
Love
no.
What's Daddy's name? What's Daddy's name?
Kyle.
What's Grandmama's name? Right. What's Granny's name?
Lane.
Right. And what is Mommy's name?
Lane.
And what's Mama's name?
Blue.
Right. And what's Papa's name?
Hair.
Right, darling. That's so good. Maggie's 20 months old, and today is April the 2nd, 1988. Lounging out on this wonderful, shady day, cloudy day.
Maggie's giving me a smile.
Oh, and a smile.
Well, Maggie, can you count for us?
You count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5.
4.
What comes after 4? 5. 6. Can you say your ABCs? Say your ABCs for Daddy. Say A. B. C. D.
Hold down.
Maggie, how about run to that bush and back?
Yeah, run, Maggie. Now run to Daddy. Run to Daddy. Run to Daddy. You heard an owl? What does the owl say? Well, Maggie, did you go to Granddaddy's today? No. Daddy about the birthday party, about Matt's birthday party. Say, we didn't have any hats, did we? Can you tell Daddy? Come back here. Tell Daddy we didn't have any hats. You say,
Oh,
give Daddy that no look. Do that no. No.
Well, Maggie, can you give me a mean look? Ooh.
What about excited? What about mad? What about happy? Happy. What about sad? Oh, poor baby. Maggie, did you go playing with Caleb the other day?
What did he do to you?
Show Daddy what he did to you. Show your arm, your big little bitchy. This one right here on. Show Dad.
Oh, did he put a boo-boo on you?
So he kissed me and hugged me.
He was just playing, wasn't he? He didn't mean to hurt you.
You want to go get on the swing set? Swing just a little bit for the daddy? Okay. Okay.
In there, Mom. In there.
In there? Okay. I don't even say it. Mike. Okay. Look at Daddy and wave. Can you wave? Talk to Daddy. Can you sing a song? Sing a song for Daddy. What else can you sing?
Here's our new swing set. Maggie's swing set.
You better get some movies at this backyard.
I know. There's our house. There's my car.
Woo! You talk to me, Maggie? Basketball. Let's go take some basketball with Daddy, okay? Oh boy! Hal, somebody's fixing to jump out of the swing.
What you gonna do?
Is he under the car? You gonna play basketball?
In there.
Are you gonna play basketball?
In there.
Where? Who's in there?
Mommy in there. Mommy.
Go play basketball, Daddy.
In there. In there, Mommy.
Jump, Maggie. Go play basketball. Turn around, Maggie.
Get over here, Malane. Hurry, get me, Malane. Yay, Malane! You know the truth? Maggie, who's been here?
Parker.
Parker.
Who brought this to you?
Parker.
No. Oh, Kia, she's excited that Kia's here.
Who brought that? The Easter Bunny?
Easter Bunny bring you a puzzle and some eggs and a book.
Like the Easter
look.
Bunny came to see you. Come now.
He's gone now.
He's gone now. But look what he brought you. Uh-oh.
Let's put the egg back in.
A book, too.
Called The Runaway Bunny.
Look at all those pretty eggs.
You gonna eat one for breakfast? You too.
Crack.
We'll crack it. You didn't eat it. How do you like your Minnie Mouse puzzle?
Oh.
Yeah, we'll crack the egg for breakfast, okay?
Turn around, let me see what's in the basket. Now put it down, Melaine. Put it down. Turn it around. Thank you.
Look.
Look.
Look at that.
Mmm.
Get one. Get one.
After breakfast.
All those goodies, Maggie.
We'll go eat an egg first, and then we'll come eat some of these, okay?
Going.
There's chickens and
Going. Hold on.
a chicken, a little rabbit, and
Did Easter Bunny ever do yours?
Oh.
No, this is fun. About what he used to bring us, right?
Oh.
But yeah, we were older. Yeah, that's right. That's why she got
Jail beans.
Mm-hmm.
What are those? Jail beans. Jail beans.
well, Maggie, who is this right here?
Kim.
Are you glad to see Kim? You want to get Kim in the picture?
Oh, please.
Look here, Kim.
Happy Easter.
Oh, gosh.
Who's sleeping in the bed in there? Parker.
I'd go jump in the bed with him if I were you, Maggie.
Wake him up.
Uh-oh.
I heard footsteps.
I heard footsteps.
Short cat.
Uh-oh. I think the Easter Bunny's still here. He's trapped.
Oh.
Easter Bunny's trapped in the bathroom, Maggie.
A big one,
Go
too.
show Kim your new shoes. They're just like a little girl shoes now. They're not
Come
like
step around
toddler
here.
shoes anymore.
Go step around here, let me see him. Oh, wow, Maggie. Turn around, let me see your dress.
It's kind of short in the bag, but does it look okay to you?
Maggie, come out here and turn around and around. Let me see you.
Turn around the camera.
No,
It'll
back
be-
up a little bit. No.
Back up
Whoa.
here near mommy. Come over here near mommy. And now stand and look at daddy.
Now turn around and around. Let me see you.
Y'all smile.
Yeah, model for daddy. Model your little dress. Are you smiling? Oh, isn't that sweet? You're sweet.
Oh.
We will after we eat an egg, okay? Let's go eat an egg for breakfast first.
Oh.
Maggie, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say Happy Easter.
Happy.
Say Easter.
Mm.
All right.
Hang on.
Maggie, you
Get
excited?
some scissors.
Oh.
Mine
always gotta cut it open, doesn't she?
Oh, see if we can, are you excited?
Maggie, what's in there? What is that?
It's open. Can you help me open it? Help me open it. Ooh.
She snuck one, Mama.
You're supposed to eat breakfast before you have
Say
it.
it's okay. It's my first Easter, I understand. No, this is my first Easter. No,
Second Easter, but there's the little dog.
who is that?
Chirpy. You gonna call him Chirpy too?
Look
And
at
a
that one in
bunny.
the back. See the bunny in the back? The pink one?
And a chocolate sucker. But we have to wait till after we eat our egg before we eat that, okay? Mmm. Yeah, another one. Now we'll open them after we eat some breakfast. Let's go crack an egg and eat that for breakfast first. Okay. Oh,
Look at that funny thing.
you can just lay that down in there, honey. You can lay that little balloon right there, okay? There you go. You had like wallpaper. Easter egg hunt. Can you find some more?
It's on the other side now.
There's one.
Oh boy, you go put them in your little basket.
Gosh.
Yay! Run, go put them in your basket.
I bet there's some more in. I bet there's some more around the room.
Yeah, let's see if you can find some more.
Get up and go around the room. See
Let's
if you
find
can
some more
find
fat
some.
eggs, honey. Come on.
Take your basket with
Yeah,
you.
put them in your basket.
Take your basket with you.
Share it with you.
Carry it like this.
Now, see if you can go around the room and find some more.
Another one.
Another one.
Go put it in there. Okay. Boy, Maggie.
Go find some
Jump
more.
up and find another one.
Go look for some more.
Let's look in this room. I think they're all in here. I believe.
It's a few in here.
Let's go over here this side, Maggie.
Oh, Maggie.
Here. Let's go around the room, see if you
Look
can
over
find.
here. You see any of them over here somewhere?
Oh, where are you?
Get to them.
Don't fall back over that thing now.
Two. Oh, good. Be careful. Don't hold on to the rail. Yeah, there you go. Be real careful. Okay. You see any more anywhere?
Oh, this one.
She's doing good.
Yeah, there's some more.
Yeah, find some more. Look around the room. Go find some more.
You see any more anywhere?
Oh, this one.
Oh, boy. Say, oh, boy. Oh, we got your basket crammed full. Maybe Mommy can hold some for you. Want Mommy to hold some for you? Hold some eggs? I'll hold this. I'll hold some eggs for you,
What are we
too.
doing next week?
Found another one.
Okay. Can you find any more? See, Linda described
behind
outside
you.
church, so she kind of knows what.
Yeah.
Yeah, another one. Oh, they're all falling out, aren't they? Let's go see if we can find some more. Let's see.
Maggie, look over
back,
behind you.
Look back behind you. No. Over the window. Look back at you.
Oh, there was another one. Oh, I think we got them all in
I
there.
believe you got them all.
My battery's going out.
There's one over here in the door.
Behind me.
Come here,
Let's
Maggie.
go look over here.
Let's
Let's
go
find
over
some
Come
more.
look over here.
Okay. No, not back there, is it?
Come here, Maggie.
Go this way.
This one. Oh, let's look in the hall.
Oh,
Oh! put any more in there. 1 and 2. Okay, let's look at the hall, see if you find anything. Is there any?
I told Jenny, I said, don't let me forget where I put them.
Stick that right. I bet there's some more. Yeah, Papa says there's some more out there.
Yeah.
Is that all?
You found another one. Oh, oh, look ahead. Look straight ahead, Maggie. Look over there. Oh, let's turn on the light. Look, one more. One more. Look down here. Look over here.
2 more.
Up, up.
Was that
I
all?
see another one. Oh, yay! You found, oh, boy. Yay for Maggie.
Got little hands.
Is that fun?
Now can you look at Daddy and say Happy Easter?
Happy, yeah.
Yay! Say yay, Maggie. Oh, and show Daddy what Mammy gave you for Easter. Turn it around the way so he can see it. Turn it around so Daddy can see it.
Oh,
Okay,
Easter
now,
bunny.
Show it to
Show it
Daddy.
to Daddy. Show it
The daddy,
to
this
Daddy. Daddy, right here.
Yeah, I see it. Show it to Danny. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Did y'all make some this morning?
We did. Yeah, we did Easter band. Yeah, I forgot we did.
Run around. Run around.
Who said run away? Yeah, run away. Are you gonna run away?